What's going on, guys? It's Carter with Eurofed. We're at the Taco Tuesday meet here at Armando's, and we got some cars pulling up. It's getting a little slow because it's cold season, but some stuff showed up. I'll show you around, man. I like it. Oh, yeah.
They get them a lot on like Lambos or like R8s, you know?
Yeah.
Where they don't have any like, there's no like brackets for the roof thing, so.
Right.
But it looks sick on here. I saw one on an M3.
We got Darko's GT3. Looks good under this lighting, man. Pretty cool lineup here tonight. Got Mickey's RS6 Avant in that green color. Beautiful car, man. This is one of our service advisor's cars. His name is Chris. He's got the GLC 63 AMG. Beautiful car, man, in that white color. Alright guys, it's about that time. We're ending up the meet. Everyone's leaving. We'll see you in the next one.